What is it that you do all day? Well, let me tell you, I definitely don't turn on all of my financial notifications and watch my tens of dollars turn into eights, sevens, sixes, fives, fours of dollars. Oh my gosh, everything is horrible. Stop. Make the bleeding stop. No, I definitely don't do that. Here's a glimpse of what I actually do. Every morning after coffee, it's time to go for a little hike with Goose. Saying goodbye to camp. Just hiking on these OHV trails, off-highway vehicles. We're camped. There are a few hiking trails around here, fairly close. Haven't gone to check them out, but more often than not, these little four-wheel drive trails will do the trick, and there's typically cool stuff to see anywhere that you go. So there is that. So morning, coffee, feed Goose, hike. Well, it's still cool because it gets real hot. We've been waking up, it's supposedly like 42. Feels like it's 45 to 50 to me. Right at sunrise, 5:45-ish. Then go for a hike for about an hour, not often less. Then we'll get back to camp. Check out this little prairie cactus farm. Just kind of a wide open space up here. Very cool. Stuff like this that I can't get enough of. This is just a random spot on a random four-wheel drive trail, and it's gorgeous. You can see off into the horizon forever. Well, back at camp, and I have to make the car passengerable because I'm picking up my buddy today. So gotta move Lucy's seat to the back here and just generally straighten up and get some of this hair out of there. So we'll see how that goes. I'll give you an after. Good enough for government work. I have a passenger seat now. I definitely have to go get a vacuum. And Lucy has the whole back. And I have too much stuff. So the two things I have to take care of before the end of May are solar and getting rid of stuff. Like, I'm carrying around too much stuff. I want to minimize. But it's time for a shower, which means I'm gonna be running my little generator because it draws quite a bit of power, and again, power has been an issue. I'm also running out of water, so I got to be real tight on the shower this time, and I'm not gonna film it because I haven't figured out the little blurry things yet, so you're out of luck. Shower's done, feeling clean, and packed up all of the stuff because we'll be moving later today. I'll throw the generator in the truck, and then in just under 2 hours, I'm going to go pick my buddy up at the airport. I also want to swing by the car wash to vacuum out Lucy hair and dirt and potentially wash the car. I don't think it's that important, but it'll be nice to have it a little cleaner. I'd like to take the trailer through so I could vacuum it out as well, which is why I figure I'll just wait until I get to its house. But for the next couple hours, I think I'm just gonna read, maybe listen to an audiobook or a podcast, and I'll be happy. Day in the life. Found a Tahoe and a Ray. It's a little windy, but I've been blessed to spend a few days at the Casa del Rey Paho and Ray helped their friend Chuck, who unfortunately passed away, build this place. It's an airplane hangar and a couple of separate houses. I'm staying in my trailer, old wings, and the airplane hangar. And then I'll be on my way here on Saturday or Sunday. Peace.